Hey guys, if you're a couple that want to sleep your best, you are not going to want to miss this deal from Leva Sleep. For a limited time, we have our Serta Luxury Split King that gives you individual comfort and control for only $29.99. But that's not all. We're upgrading everyone's adjustable base to our Elite 500, which gives you anti-snore mode, dual zone massage, underbed lighting, and saved presets at no extra charge. And that's not all. With the Leafs on this historic run, we're running a contest to give away 2 tickets to the finals or $5,000 cash. And every purchase of this package gives you 300 entries into the draw. So don't wait, come on into Leva Sleep or visit us online at levasleep.com. We hope to see you soon.